Welcome to Smile Learners Packet, Araling Panlipunan 1, Week 5. Isurat mo ng pangalan bago kita magpuon. Write your name before we begin. Okay, let's start. Part 1, kasanayang pampagkatuto mula sa milk. So, nakapaghihinuha ng konsepto ng pagpapatuloy at pagbabago sa pamamagitan ng pagsasaayos ng mga larawan ayon sa pagkakasunod-sunod. So, this is like what we did in the previous two modules using the timeline. So, we're going to arrange the events, also the things that are related to our growth starting from birth until now. Overview, pangkalahatang ideya. May mga pagbabagong nangyayari sa imong buhay. Sa kapersonal mong gamit poon kang ika-umboy pasana hanggang sa ngunyang edad. So there are changes that happen to you since you were born until now. Also included are the things that you the things that you have now are different from the things that you have when you were little. So, ang mga pagbabagong iyan mga bagay na daing mo na pwedeng magamit dahil sa nagdadakula na. So, there are things that you do not use anymore because they are not appropriate, or they are not good for you anymore. So, may mga bagay na hindi na pwede sa ngayong 6 years old or 7 years old ka na. Ang mga pangyayari din ini konektado sa imong pagdakula. And also, aside from the things that you use, there are also events that change from birth until now. And then, gamit ang tamang pagkasunod-sunod kan mga ladawan sa ka-timeline o linya kan oras, panahon, ini sa tuyang araman. So, previously, if you remember, yung mga picture of you when you were little and then until now. So, for this time, the same, we're going to use timeline, but different naman ang we're going to have a different view or different style of using the timeline. So, talahulugan, timeline, linya ng buhay, talaan ng mahalagang pangyayari. So, as I have mentioned, with the use of timeline, we can easily see the changes and also the time then and then the time now. So, pagbabago, pagkakaiba-iba ng mga bagay mula sa dati o nakasanayan. So, pagbabago means changes. And then, personal, tumutukoy sa sarili. So, mga gawain 1, Part A, pasunod-sunodon ang mga ladawan gamit ang letrang A hanggang D. So, this is a pictures of a life cycle of a butterfly. So, you have to choose which one should be first. So, that will be marked as A. Next, in second stage naman, will be marked as B. And then the third stage will be C. And the last stage will be D. So, A, B, C, D. So, pause to answer this part. And then you just resume when you are done. Gawain 2, hilingon ang ladawan, kulayanin pula, ang mga bagay na sa imong ginamit kan ika-umboy pasana, dangan tsokolate naman para sa mga ginagamit mo ngunyan. So, you have to use 2 shades of color. One is red. So, one is red. You have to get your red crayon. And then the other one is chocolate or brown. So, for red, we are going to choose those pictures which are used or which you use when you were a baby. So, umboy means baby. So, color them red. And for those that you use now, you have to color them brown. So, ano mga nandyan? Okay, let's identify what the pictures are. So first, ito, pacifier. Pacifier. Ito, ano to? Ano yun? Hindi naman, diaper. So, diaper, pin, bib. Tapos, ano pa? Ito, yung ang tawag to, yung pambalot sa baby. Next, rattle. Ito naman, uniform, shoes, basketball, shorts. Ito, stroller. Ano to, rubber shoes. Drinking bottle, or chupon, ito ball, and then rattle. So colored red if these are the things that you use when you were a baby, and then brown if it's used now. If it is, if they are being used now that you are 6 or 7 years old. So pause to finish this part, and then resume play if you're done. For part B, alin ang dapat na mainit sa kama ho dyan? Mahuri dyan sa ladawan base sa padagos mong pag-iba-iba ng gamit sa pagkakan. Isulat ang bilang 1, 2, 3 sa bilog. So this is about how you eat. So which one comes first? That will be marked as 1. And the next will be marked as 2. And the last will be marked as 3. So paano ka ba kumain noon hanggang ngayon? Alin dyan mauna? So, using numbers 1, 2, to 3. And then, when you're done, let's proceed. Gawain 3. Isulat ang check. So, check sa linya kung ang ladawan nagpapahiling kang gamit mo kunyan, X naman kung dae. So, you have to choose which are the things that you use now that will be marked as check. And then, which are the things that you do not use them anymore, then X. Check or X. So I hope the pictures are clear. If the printout is not clear, then you just refer to this video. So this is found on page 3, last part. Let's continue. For part B, gumibo ni sa diring timeline, i-drawing o gumamit ni sa diring ladawan na nagpapahiling kan mga pagbabago sa imong mga gamit. Pwede magpatabang sa tugang o magkurang. Because when you were a baby, so wala ka pang kamalayan what are the things that you use. So, you can ask your parents what are those, and then you have to put them in the correct order. So, from left to right, yung timeline. So, ano ba yung mga ginamit mo when you were a baby? You start here, siguro then, when you were 1 year old, and then when you were 2 years old, tapos yung nag-kinder ka, and now you are now in grade 1. So, pasunod-sunod siya. Think of an object for each box. So, yan na lang ang mas madaling gawin para sa last activity. So, how will I score it? So, nakagibon ni sa diring timeline. So, I will give you 5 points if it's correct. Malinig sa kamagayon. If it's neat and creative, so another 5 points. And then a total of 10 points for this part. What else? So, that's it for AP. So, correction lang po. Hindi AP ang last na module. ESP kundi ESP. But this AP will continue until week 8. Goodbye.